This is day one. We are taking things out of the house to get donated and things that will be scrapped for metal, and everything else that's left will be knocked down and thrown in the garbage. So here's the garage. Here's our trailer for the scrap metal. Let me go back over here. There's Patrick. There's our donation pile. If we go, we'll come around the side here. We can get a nice view of the back. It's about 6:30 a.m. Again, it's day one of the Lake House project. There's the back of the house. There is the boss, Mr. Brian Hogan. So let's just get an idea of what the house looks like before it gets destroyed. Little family room, nice fireplace. That would be the front door there. Go in here, looks like a first floor master suite. We've got a bedroom, a little hallway to a bathroom. Trying to go quickly because it doesn't much matter because it's going to disappear in a week or so. Let's come back through here.
This is a queen.
Yes. It's a first floor bathroom. That's Jason. Jason, say hi.
Hello.
Here's the kitchen. Not a bad kitchen. Pretty nice. Nice lake house. I'll go upstairs real quick. Show you the 3 bedrooms up here. Bedroom number 1. All the bedrooms are on the back of the house. They have a beautiful view of the lake. Bedroom number 2. Some nice woodwork in here. Little makeup station looks like. Again, I'll show you the view here from the back of the house. Very peaceful. Back out into the hall to bedroom number 3. Upstairs hall bathroom. A couple closets in the hallway, nothing spectacular. This would be a little window out the front of the house. If you could see just behind the white Jeep, there's a tower, and we're setting up temporary electric on that tower. We've got a circuit breaker out there, a meter, so that when they knock the house down, there's still power out here for the contractors to use, so nobody has to use generators. It'll save on fuel. Let's come through here. There's another little entrance to the kitchen. Basement's pretty dark. I don't know that I really need to go down there, but I will anyways, so you can see. I mean, yeah, okay, you can't see anything, but there's the appliances over here, or the furnace and water heater, some pumps, laundry, refrigerator, pretty much just storage. What I like about the basement, and I'll go back on the outside so you can see it, is there's doors that lead out to the lake, and there's a ramp so he could get his boat in and out of the basement. Under the deck. So here's a little valley. There's the boat. And bring the boat right down here through those doors. Nice easy storage into the basement. So that's about it. I'm gonna go back around front just to show you that electric, because I think it's pretty cool. Here's the old service. Comes in from the street, follow that line back, and right in line with those wires you see this little tower here. And there's a circuit breaker, 3 probably 20 amp circuits. The meter goes up, and then the electric company's coming today to disconnect from the house and reconnect right there. So we'll have power for the duration of the project. And that should do it. We'll check in after the next phase.